Hello, uh, let's start today's topic. Today we are going to learn about set operations. In my previous post and blogs, I have already covered that what is set, different types of sets, methods of representation of sets, then hierarchy of sets, and also Venn diagram. Let's continue with that Venn diagram topics with set operations. So in set, there are different types of operations are there. So there are mainly 5 set operations. First is union. Second is intersection. Third, complements of a set. Fourth, difference of two sets. Fifth, symmetric difference of two sets. Difference of two sets, right? This is the different 5 types of set operations. Let's start with union. Union set operation. Let two set A and B let two set A and B are said to be the union if we represented it like that in circle under a universal set, say U. So two sets A and B said to be union and denoted by A union B and is defined as A union B equal to X such that either X is belongs to A or X is belongs to B, right? That's mean all the elements of A and B will be the common in union. Say this is that this shaded region we are going to say is the union of set operation A and B. X such that X either belongs to A or X belongs to B, right? Say a simple example. A set A contains the elements A, E, I, and another set B contains the element O and U. Then A union B is represented as A, E, I, O, U, right? Yeah. This is the union. A union B. Very simple one, right? Let's move to the second one, intersection. Let again take A and B. Let take two set A and B. is denoted as intersection like A intersection B, and is defined as X such that X is belongs to A and X is belongs to B, and is represented it as like this: A under the universal set of U. This section is represented as A intersection B such that X is belongs to A and X is belongs to B. That's mean we are going to take the only the common elements between the A and B, right? Let's take example like set A contains elements like A, B, C and D. As a set B contains the elements like B, X, Y and Z. So in this case A intersection B will be like that. A intersection B will be going to cover in only B, right? Yes, we are going to take only the common elements from the both sets A and B. Okay, fine, let's move. In union we are going to take the all the observations, and in intersection we are going to take the only the common observations or elements between the two different sets or three different sets or four different sets. Okay, right? Our third topic. Third is what we say complement of a set. Complement of a set. Let's take U is a universal set. And A is a set under universal set. A is a subset of U. Okay, and we are going to represent it as this is the universal set and this is the set A. So complement of set will be denoted as A complement, where A is a subset of U, equals to X is belongs to U such that X doesn't belongs to A. That's mean if under universal set we have n numbers of observations and in set A we have some common observation, then we are going to take all the observation except the data from the A. We are going to take others observation under U except the data under A. Okay, so let's say if in a locality we have some people who have the voting rights and some people have don't have the voting rights, and consider it is the under a set universal set U. So complement of voter rights, who have the voter rights, is the complement of that set who doesn't have that voter rights, right? So we can represent it is like that. For say universal set U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set A contain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then complement of a set A, complement of set A equals to all the elements of U other than A. That will be 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? This is the complement of set, complement of a set. So let's move. Now we are going to learn difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Let again take A and B two sets, A and B two sets, and difference of two sets is represented like in Venn diagram like this under the universal set of U, and A minus, it will be denoted as A minus B and defined as such that X such that X is belongs to A and X doesn't belongs to B, right? But X doesn't belongs to B. Or say if set A contains elements like A, E, I, O, U, another set B contains the elements A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D. So in this case A minus B will be, we are going to take only that A's element, A, E, O, U, sorry, U, A, E, I, U, and sorry, here I have make a mistake, U and X, Y and Z. So A minus B will be X, Y and Z. We are going to take only that elements which purely belongs to A. Okay, this is difference of two sets. Now we are going to take the fifth operations, that is symmetric. Symmetric difference of two sets. In symmetric difference of two sets, we are represented it like that. A, this is the symmetric difference of two sets symbol B, and is represented it as A minus B union B minus A, right? And it is going to represent it as to set A, as I said B, this is A, this is B, and this is your universal sets. So your data will be come from only A and only B, right? This is your A symmetric difference of two sets B. Okay, so take an example. If A equals to A, B, C and D, and B equals to C, D, E, F and G, then first we are going to take A minus B. A minus B will be A and B, and then we are going to take B minus A. B minus A will be E, F and G. Then A symmetric difference of two set B equals to A minus B union B minus A equals to what? A, B, E, F, G. A, B, E, F, G, right? This is the symmetric difference of two sets. So let's wrap up today's video with set operations. Over here we are covered union, intersection, complement of a set, difference of two set and symmetric difference of two sets, right? So for more nice and real life example to easy to understand, you can follow please my blogs, and there I have described with some nice examples and all. In video I just want to keep it in every video. I don't want to make a long, so my target for every video within 10 minutes. So for more example and other information you can please visit my blogs, right? Yeah, thank you.